We're out here working on the Blazer today. Gonna get the radiator we picked up installed, hopefully. Hopefully everything fits good and it all works out, so we'll go ahead and mess with that. So this is the new radiator. Pretty nice little deal, got it off Amazon, cheap, hopefully it'll work. Came with a nice shroud, dual electric fan. Pull through design. Hopefully it'll keep it nice and cool for us. Didn't come with any hardware at all, just the two pieces unfortunately, so we'll dig through the drawer, see what we got, make something work, and see if we can get going here. Alright, cut us down some hardware here. Got some locking nuts and a little bit of blue Loctite for good luck, and we'll get this thing attached. Alright, well, the studs here on the engine were hitting the plastic shroud right here where it was trying to come down in. So we're going to take this back apart and try putting the radiator in first and see how that fits. Alright, well, as I predicted, the stock rubber mounts are a little wider than what the base of this needs to sit on, but worse than that, even with it all the way flat against the bottom of the steel and the core support, it hits the top, so it's too tall. So we're gonna have to do some modifications here and figure something out with that. Alright, well, the radiator's too tall, so we scribed a little line here. We're going to be just cutting a small section of the bottom of the core support out to clearance for the radiator. Not the best preferred method I'd have to use, but this is a pretty good radiator. I want to try and use it, so we're going to try and make it fit. Should definitely keep it cool for us. Alright, so we went ahead and pulled the core support back out. A little tricky to cut with it in position, so we got her down here on the floor. We're going to finish cutting this out and we'll test fit the radiator and all that in here before we put it back in the truck. We've got it all cut out. The radiator does sit down in there now nice. This is just rough draft for now, fitting everything, but got it all tucked in there. We're just going to go ahead and make some straps for the top here to secure it, and some for the bottom holes, and go from there. Alright, just like that, we got it in. Got us some straps we made just to hold the bottom and the top into place nice and good and secure in there now, no going anywhere. But yeah, she looks good. Now it fits nice. Cut the top open here to relieve that for some space, which I'll tidy all that up, make it look a little better when I get this final fit and all cleaned up and assembled. But looks like we're good to go. On to the next phase.